The U.S. government is calling on victims of a recently busted crypto fraud operation to step forward and claim their lost funds. According to a statement from the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Eastern District of Virginia, officials have recovered $7 million in fraudulent proceeds through civil asset forfeiture. Now, the Department of Justice, DOJ, is inviting victims to submit petitions to reclaim their money. Court documents reveal that scammers use social engineering tactics to build trust with victims before convincing them to invest in crypto through fake websites. These platforms mimicked real exchanges but funneled funds into over 75 bank accounts tied to shell companies. The sites falsely showed victims making big gains. But when they tried to withdraw, scammers demanded more money, claiming taxes or other fees were due. The DOJ hasn't named any specific individuals or organizations behind the scheme. Authorities began seizing fraudulent funds in June 2023 from a foreign bank account and later filed a civil forfeiture case. After reaching a settlement, $7 million was cleared for forfeiture and will now be returned to victims. A major Bitcoin investor just resurfaced, shifting a massive $250 million worth of BTC after staying inactive for over 8 years. According to blockchain analytics firm Arkham, the BTC was originally purchased on Coinbase, the largest U.S. crypto exchange, before being held untouched since late 2016. Asterisk, $250 million Bitcoin whale wakes up after 8 years. A Bitcoin whale that's been holding since 2016 just moved over $250 million in BTC. Back in early 2017, their stash was worth only $3 million. Now it's grown to over $250 million, sitting in the same address for more than 8 years. Asterisk, asterisk. If this whale decides to sell, that would lock in an eye-watering 8,233% return. And this isn't the first time an ancient wallet has reawakened. In December, another long-dormant Bitcoin address suddenly moved over $257 million in BTC after 11 years. That wallet originally received its BTC in 2013, when Bitcoin was just $625. By the time of the transfer, BTC had skyrocketed to $95,361, marking a jaw-dropping 15,137% gain. As of now, Bitcoin is trading at $87,003, up over 3% on the day. Venture capitalist Chris Berniske believes the crypto market could flip bullish in just one day if the right conditions align. On social media platform X, Berniske told his 324,300 followers that he's noticing signs of renewed interest in riskier altcoins, often an early signal of market momentum shifting. I'm starting to see strong signs of life in long-tail crypto assets. This signal isn't always reliable, but it suggests traders are willing to take risks again as major coins consolidate. All it takes is one day for short to medium-term sentiment and capital flows to flip. Berniske also pointed out that Bitcoin, BTC, tends to follow global liquidity trends but with a delay. In other words, when there's more money circulating in the financial system, BTC usually reacts, just not immediately. BTC follows liquidity but with a lag. Earlier this month, Berniske doubled down on his bullish stance, calling crypto the fastest horse in finance, despite recent market dips. He urged investors not to panic sell, warning that those who exit now might struggle to re-enter when prices rebound. If you're thinking about selling now, you're probably the type to hesitate when the market turns bullish again. At worst, just sit tight. Don't even check prices if it helps. And if you've got extra cash, consider adding to your position when things look ugly. Not financial advice, just my 2 SATs. A well-known crypto strategist believes that key macroeconomic signals are flashing bullish for Bitcoin, BTC. Pseudonymous analyst TechDev tells his 517,800 followers on X that Bitcoin's bull market isn't over yet. He points to a rare setup involving rising global liquidity and a bottoming business cycle, a combination that historically signals explosive BTC gains. Global liquidity measures the total money supply in the financial system, while the business cycle tracks the ups and downs of economic activity. According to TechDev, Bitcoin tends to hit its strongest bull runs when global liquidity surges right as the economy starts recovering. Asterisk, we're at that rare point where liquidity retested its breakout and is surging higher, right as the business cycle bottomed and reversed. Only the third of these setups in the last 12 years. The other two propelled the crypto market to its steepest legs. Ignore the noise. Asterisk, asterisk. Based on his chart, Tech Dev suggests Bitcoin may follow the patterns of 2016 and 2020, when BTC hit record highs after global liquidity surged and the business cycle flipped upward. As of now, Bitcoin is trading at $86,635.